Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The next record mail merge rule in Word lets you print the next record without waiting for the next page. For example, you could use the next record rule to print a list of names and addresses on a single sheet of paper. To use the next record mail merge rule in Word, click to place your insertion mark cursor where you want the next record's data to appear. Then click the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Then click the Rules drop-down in the Write and Insert Fields button group and select the Next Record command from the Buttons drop-down menu to insert the mail merge field into the document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.